Welcome to the WVDTechFest podcast. We've created this format to present you with our valuable community speakers and let them explain what you can expect from their session. We are the largest WVD event out there with 24 speakers from 8 countries, and this event is intended to provide you with all the theoretical and practical knowledge to become a WVD rockstar. Today I'm with Simon Binder and our special guest Markus Lintuala from Finland. Welcome you both.
Thank you.
So Markus, very happy to have you here and very happy to have you as one of our speakers for the WVDTechFest. Could you please tell our attendees and listeners a bit about yourself? Who are you and what do you do?
Okay, so my name is Markus Lintuala and I'm living in Finland, as Patrick told just. I'm working a lot of daily with Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. In fact, last couple of months, perhaps more with the WVD, and then with the security a lot of. So there's much doing there.
Yeah, absolutely. And since myself is from this same kind of background, like with Microsoft 365 and device management and such, and then have moved into WVD, I find that a very interesting and rewarding combination, which is, especially when you talk about security, very needed and very much sought after among organizations. So just to throw in an out of manuscript question, what have your customers asked for? Because you're a consultant, right?
Yep.
Yeah. What, in terms of WVD and security, what have your customers been asking about over the last weeks or so?
I think the most concern is that how it just works, because it's published to the internet and you can't control the PaaS side itself because it's coming from Microsoft side. So how you manage that it's secure or multi-factor authentications and so on. Okay, it's just the one application in Azure AD and you have conditional access and everything. But it's new thing. It's kind of also new way to bring application from Microsoft because it's desktops, it's some Azure, and it's like combining everything together.
Yeah,
that's one key point.
Great. And your session is a bit on that topic as well. So what will you talk about during the WVDTechFest?
Yeah. So I'm talking about the Windows Virtual Desktop without a golden image, and that title you can think it a lot of many ways, but what I want to bring is that is it always necessary to do the golden image itself? Can you use the vanilla image and manage it for somehow by using the Intune or config manager, and what you win and what you lose? So there's many ways to handle these VVDs, but yeah, so I will bring my experience.
Perfect. Sounds already very interesting, and I think also for our attendees this will give them also another side of WVD, because when we see the blog post, everybody is speaking about creating golden images, creating scenarios where you can use it. And I think what some people don't realize, that you can use the flexibility of the cloud to create a use case without having a golden image. And this is therefore, I'm really looking forward to your session, Markus, already.
Thanks.
And apart from your own session, what are you looking forward to the most with WVDTechFest?
I think that what I'm looking for is new things, how others are doing the implementations, and if there's something that I can use or my customers can use in their environments and so on. And also a lot of questions and like changing mindsets, and because it's all the time evolving, the whole application and everything. So what it will bring us later on.
Absolutely. I mean, like we said from the very beginning, we have actually 24 speakers coming from 8 countries. This is really incredible that we come together so in an international manner. This is also a little bit due to COVID, I have to admit, because this brings us together or leads us to the new virtual come together or these kind of meetings. What do you think about this, Markus, for yourself? I mean, we know all the disadvantages of COVID itself. Did it bring you something valuable this time?
No, I don't say that that kind of valuable. We have been now in COVID 1 year almost, so it's affecting to all of us, and we have learned how to be in remote and how to manage. In fact, myself, I'm also a trainer, MCT, so I'm having last year I had let's say 20 courses for the remotely only. And it takes you have to know what do you do when you have those courses, how you get the students to take some bring new ideas or something, ask questions. So I think that this is a really good thing, and people can talk to each other and see to each other because we can now meet.
Yeah,
indeed.
Absolutely. So again, thank you so much for being a part of WVDTechFest. You are part of the community track, so we have 3 tracks during the festival. One for our partners, one for the speakers that we have invited, and you are part of the community stage, which is something we have seen a huge success in. We had a lot of different speakers from all around the globe submitting to the WVDTechFest, and we're looking forward to having you as part of the WVD community. And I'm for one are really looking forward to your session, since myself is from a background of Microsoft Endpoint Manager. So I'm really anticipating your session and what it will bring to the discussion and to the community. So thank you so much for putting down time and effort to be a part of the event.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. It is really nice to have the session also.
Perfect.
So thank you very much. And it's only, I believe, 37 days to go from when we are recording this. So best of luck in your preparation, and see you at WVDTechFest.
Perfect. And if you want to know how to register up, we will put the link down in the comments below so that you can register up. And we are all really, really looking forward to our valuable community speakers such as Markus. And thank you, Markus, also from my side again and from Simon's side for presenting your session with everything. And yeah, looking forward to that session to see you next month. Thank you.